We are joined now by Dr. Valerie French to talk about ACOG's new book, Your Pregnancy and Childbirth. Dr. French, it's great to see you.
Thank you so much for having me.
So we have two copies. We've got the new one over there. We've got it in Spanish as well. But this book is not a new book. It's been around for a while, right?
It has. So I serve as the chair of ACOG's Patient Education Review Panel, and we are charged with ensuring that our ACOG members have the best quality patient education material. And so we led the charge on crafting a book for patients about their pregnancy, and like any material, it requires update, and so this is our 6th edition of the book.
Great. So what is new when we look at this 6th edition?
Because medicine is always changing and our knowledge about pregnancy care is always changing, it has some updates about things like, should a woman take aspirin in pregnancy, and what are our thoughts about induction, and a lot of things that patients have gotten through the media, and we want to make sure that we have a physician voice in that conversation with our patients.
There are a lot of books out there. There's
Sure.
a lot of information out there. So why was it necessary for ACOG to go ahead and do their own publication?
Absolutely, and we know that patients want information from many sources, and so there are a lot of pregnancy books out there. But when you interview women, and we've done this, to say, where do you want to get your information, they value having multiple sources. And so we're not setting out to replace the knowledge that's out there, but we want to add to the voices. Specifically, as the experts in pregnancy care, ACOG should have a voice there, and patients do value that.
Talk to me a little bit about the response you've heard from patients who've received the book.
Thank you for that question. I think sometimes as physicians we digest information in a certain way, but we put the book together in a manner that mirrors how patients want to get their information. So the title is Your Pregnancy and Childbirth Month to Month, and really women wanted to have that kind of timeline set out so that they could look, okay, I'm at this month in my pregnancy, what should I be knowing about my body, what should I expect? They also wanted a very detailed table of contents so that they could look things up in the book. And so with that information, we tailored the book to patient needs.
All right, very good. Dr. French, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
ACOG TV has all the coverage you want with the big events and key newsmakers. Be sure to check out our content, which is updated each day here on YouTube from the ACOG 2019 meeting here in Nashville.